Is it the right time to buy or sell the BOIL ETF? In this video, we will be taking a deeper dive into the BOIL ETF. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, January 9, 2024. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You definitely don't want to miss any crucial updates that could potentially impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. With this tool, you can tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of January 8, 2024, our system has ranked BOIL as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.00. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Surpassing our expectations, BOIL has shown an impressive gain of 9.73% since our recommendation to buy it just 2 days ago. This means that on average, it has delivered a daily return of 4.87% since being listed as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system predicts high volatility and risk for the next trading day. Considering the latest developments, it's difficult to determine the stock's next direction as it could go either way. Based on the current 3-month trend, it appears that there could be a significant -55.73% change in the next 3 months. This means there is a potential return between -88.08% and -55.73%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a -60.22% change over the next year. This could result in a return between -100% and -28.76%. In terms of price, it might range from $0 to $27.24 after a year. Our latest update for BOIL brings you an interesting headline: big movements in BOIL ETF price on Tuesday, with a 16.52% range between the highest and lowest points. On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, January 9, 2024, the price of the BOIL ETF increased by 9.73%. It went up from $34.84 to $38.23. Throughout the day, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of 16.52%, starting from a low of $34.93 and reaching a high of $40.70. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 7 instances, resulting in an overall gain of 33.76% over the past 2 weeks. The volume of shares traded also increased on the last day, aligning with the price increase. A total of 5 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day. In total, approximately $632.05 million worth of shares were bought and sold, with a sum of 17 million shares exchanged. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for the ETF was $259.80, while the lowest was $23.83. Currently, the price stands at 85.28% below the 52-week high, which amounts to a difference of $221.57. Furthermore, it is 98.64% below the all-time high reached on June 8, 2022, when the price hit $2,810.01. The difference in dollars for this all-time high is $2,771.78. Let's take a look at the signals for BOIL, an ETF. The BOIL ETF shows positive forecasts as it holds by signals from both short and long-term moving averages. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of corrections down, there is support from the lines at $33.41 and $32.72. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, sell signals will be issued. On Tuesday, December 12, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 57.58% increase so far. The indication is for further rise until a new top pivot is found. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Volume is also rising along with the price, which is considered to be a good technical signal. Here are some other signals that may catch your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, it's a buy signal. Pivots, it's a buy signal that occurred 19 days ago. Bollinger, it's a buy signal that occurred 66 days ago. Short-term moving average, it's a sell signal that occurred 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, it's a buy signal that occurred 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, it's a buy signal that occurred 2 days ago. If we analyze the 12-month chart, we observe the following. Short moving average, it's a buy signal that occurred 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, it's a sell signal that occurred 45 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, it's a buy signal that occurred 41 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop-loss for BOIL. BOIL, the ETF we're looking at, has some key support levels. Just below today's level, we have accumulated volume support at $35.39 and $34.84. When an ETF tests a support level, there is always a risk. If the support is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. In this case, if $35.39 is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $34.84 and $30.19. It's important to note that BOIL is considered high risk due to its volatility. This means it can experience significant price movements throughout the day. The Bollinger Band also indicates a large prediction interval for this ETF. Looking at recent data, BOIL had a price range of $5.77 between its high and low, representing a 16.52% change. Over the past week, the ETF has shown a daily average volatility of 11.81%. Today, we'll be discussing some potential day trading levels for BOIL. If BOIL shows an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $40.01. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those who already have the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, BOIL encounters its first support level at $35.39. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point for anticipating a rebound. For this ETF, we recommend setting the stop loss at $36.88, which is a decrease of 3.54%. It's important to note that this ETF experiences significant daily movements, which increases the level of risk involved. However, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 18 days ago. Is BOIL ETF a good buy? While BOIL holds several positive signals, we don't believe it is currently a strong buy candidate. Instead, it should be considered a hold candidate, meaning you may want to hold or accumulate this position while waiting for further development. Although there are some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate since our last evaluation. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, January 10th, we expect BOIL to open down $0.277 and start trading at $37.95. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. Always consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Please note that StockInvest.us is not a reliable source for making investment decisions. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment choices. Welcome back to Stock Invest. Today, we're taking a closer look at the current view of the stock. We want to hear your thoughts, so don't forget to comment below and share your opinions. What is your target for the ETF? We value your support, so remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a successful trading journey and a beautiful day. Thank you for joining us here at Stock Invest.